Our sister can't just wait for dinner to try the MAGIK seasoning. We just seasoned our chicken with In the Teal Kitchen's MAGIK seasoning. We have to taste our food before we serve it to our family. Man, this shit is off the chain. You need to get you some. I'm gonna order me some more.
What do we cook next with the MAGIK seasons? What do we cook next in the Teal kitchen? In the Teal kitchen. In the Teal kitchen.
New black business alert. Visit our ETSY shop in the Teal Kitchen. That is shop in the Teal Kitchen on ETSY to get your MAGIK seasoned turmeric blend.
Next with the MAGIK seasons. What do we cook next in the Teal kitchen?
No salt added, nut busting delicious meals as seen in the Teal Kitchen on Ratchet Today. Thank you so much. Order now, shop direct to avoid a couple dollars on shipping. Just cash app, hashtag Ratchet Today, and you will put in the note MAGIK seasoning. Trust and believe we got ginger waffle cornbread and ginger motherfucking waffles. Okay, we got it all on deck. Shop in the Teal Kitchen on ETSY. Thank you.
What do we cook next with the MAGIK seasons? What do we cook next in the Teal kitchen?
Order direct, shop on Cash App. You can text me your shipping address 706-810-0829 or follow us on Instagram at Ratchet Today, RATCHETTODAY. I'll see you next time. You always want something Jemima, but you want one of them goddamn pancake mix from in the Teal Kitchen as seen on Ratchet Today. Right? Hey y'all, if y'all don't need all that fucking salt, period. Put this MAGIK season on any meat. You hear me? And stay tuned for my ass slapping hot pepper. This hot pepper about to be so hot it's about to make you slap your asshole with some motherfucking water like you at a bird bath.
What do we cook next with the MAGIK seasons? What do we cook next in the Teal kitchen?
Even though it wasn't bad, it picked up. That one was.
Go get your cooking in the Teal Kitchen seasonings, okay? Black owned business and brand. And tell them Bree sent you. The link is here.
We'll be using these kind of buns, mini sub rolls. You can butter them, herb them, grill them, garlic them, cheese them, any way you want. I don't feel like all that. So I'm just making some cheeseburgers and some crinkle cuts. I got the MAGIK seasoning turmeric blend in there, a little bit of mustard, and a little bit of soy sauce, and that is all you need. Got some oil on back here for my French fries. We'll be using these kind of buns, mini sub rolls. You can butter them, herb them, grill them, garlic them, cheese them, any way you want. I don't feel like all that. Before I start with the fries, just want y'all to know I got fresh leaf lettuce, fresh purple onion, fresh Roma tomato. We got mayonnaise, ketchup, and mustard, and pickles. We got some cookies. Got the meat sizzling. Right? The grease is nice and hot. Time to put your French fries in. Almost time to flip them burgers for cheesy. But let's get over here to the oil. Okay. careful. Woo! Ah! Come together nicely. Let's chop our veggies. All right, so let me get these burgers flipping. Make sure I ain't tripping. This one is very tender. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful. All right. Beautiful. Juicy, tender, meaty burgers. And we're going to shave down our own cheese. We got Parmesan, Colby Jack, and Fiesta Blend. Don't play. Pick a cheese. Pick a cheese. No, I don't have my apron on, but you can get yours on my website. Shop in the Teal Kitchen on ETSY. Onions. You know I like extra onions on my burger. All right. I went with the top part of the leaf, and I'm just clanking the middle. That's gonna be your lettuce. Real quick and easy. These burgers is ready for some cheese too. Turn the heat down. Get ready to cheese them up, drain them. Tomato. Miss TR, this knife is very sharp. Thank you. Be careful with your sharp knives. Lettuce, tomato, onion. That's all you need for a burger, ain't it? And you got your pickles back there. Let's get our cheese grated on here. Let me drain the grease real quick. Drain the grease real quick. A little piece fell off, but it's okay. It tastes delicious. We'll just glue it back on with some cheese. Some burgers. All right. So we decided to go with the Colby Jack, which is on the block, and the shredded already Fiesta Blend. So here we go. Just some little pieces of cheese go on there. Come on. I'm still getting used to using this type of... Give me that piece of cheese off that heat. All you're going to do is help it melt. That's why you keep a little bit of grease down there so that if you got to flip your cheese or do anything extra like that, it'll work. But I should have just went with shreds. That's all right. I'm doing it now. Better late than never. Bigger shreds. Yeah, that's better for a cheeseburger. Look at that. Perfect. Love it. Put that on there. Some of this shredded Fiesta Blend. And I'm going to let y'all take a look at it. We're going to put the lid on it and let the heat melt the cheese. Any cheese that's around the rim, skirt it around so that it puts any little pieces back together that fell off. Oh yeah, we want it real cheesy. You can make your fried cheese fries too if you want to. Let's take a look at this together. Those fries getting ready too. We're about ready to pull those out. Right? So that's the cheese right there. Zhuzh it all around. All around the rims and the edges. Just let that cheese lay. Because when that picks up and goes all on your sloppy ass burger sub. And we got the mini sub rolls. See what I mean? You can put that piece together right there. Back in there on that cheese. See that? It's also a delicious glue. On every corner, and then we're going to just close it. You can sprinkle some herbs on top of that cheese too, won't hurt nobody. Boy, look at those fresh veggies, those fresh tomatoes. Yes, I put some oregano on top of there. Good juicy purple onion, fresh green leaf lettuce going down with those fries. Put the lid on your cheese. Make a sauce if you want to. See, I just put some herbs on that cheese, and now I'm just putting the lid on it and seeing what it do. Alright? Alright, let's get these fries out there done. Nice and golden. Look at how delicious and golden they are. You already know to season it while it's hot and oily, still draining. What that is going to be is a little bit of herbs, Italian herbs, a little baby ass pinch of salt, and some MAGIK seasoning turmeric blend. Shake them up, and they're delicious. Shake them up, and they are indeed delicious. Who doesn't love fried potatoes, French fries, Papa Fritos? That in the Teal Kitchen seasoning is a game changer, y'all. And you can make a cheese sauce. Let's look at this. Oh yeah. See? They're ready. Food's done. You don't have to wait around on me. You can grub. Drain the grease as you putting it on your burger. Don't just plop all that grease on your burger. But damn, y'all. Look at that cheese. Going with them delicious fries on these mini sub rolls today. Welcome again, and thank you for watching. If ever you feel the need to reach deep down in your wallet, in your pocket, in your bosom, pass the plate, support the content, pay your black media taxes, welcome to the Celebrity News Galaxy. And thank you a million times. It's the nicest thing anyone's ever done for me.